Okay. Today I have a chance to be tour guide for my clients from France for one day. 7 people. What's your name again?
Marco.
Marco. And you?
Alessandra.
Alexandra.
Alma.
Aloma. Aloma.
Milena.
Nice to meet you.
Io facile.
Lula. Nice to meet you. Lula. And you? What's your name?
Emilia.
Amelia. And you? Enrico. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Questa è fatta di bambù.
Qual è raccomandato?
I'm Thong Lai. Nice to meet you.
L'ha provata e ha detto
Se vi mettete anche voi due faccio il gruppetto.
Fai il gruppino?
Local guy, what is your name? Kamdi. And you, what is your name? Kep. Yes. Local guy from the Chalansuk village. Today I have the lovely client for 7 people here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes.